He's getting away. Oh, man. But he almost got away. So we've had probably 2 or 3 moles that are working here on these hills by these cedar trees. And there was another one this morning that looks like it's really fresh, unless it's the same one. But when I saw this one moving, man, he was coming back through an old run. When they come back through an old run, they do not push the ground up near as far a lot of times. It's really hard to see them moving. They're moving a lot. They're just not pushing the ground up as hard. So anyway, God bless you all from the MOLiminator number 91, since I started this in June of 2019.